36.23.
Let's go.
Full speed ahead, I don't hesitate. What's up, boys?
Full speed ahead, ain't no hesitation.
Oh, as you guys can see, vlog coming tomorrow. Alright, first, we gotta watch this video, bruh.
Imagine being able to build
so
anything,
funny.
for any reason,
Video, right?
in any style.
I am in the thumbnail of this video, bro. Look at dude, this is so good. Dude, oh my gosh. When traders keep hitting huge wins. That's so funny, bro. Oh, TJR is on there. Guys, I might be actually hella clouded. We gotta watch
For
this,
making
bro.
thousands in mere seconds.
Oh, I'm in the first second. Come on, so close. Bang! Let's go!
To turning a classroom lesson into a trading win.
Alright, we gotta skip this.
Order filled.
These are times when traders win abnormally large amounts of money, starting with this kid who's turned his school into Wall Street room service, apparently. And with these profits, he might as well be educating traders.
Here, wait. I wanna. Where am I? Oh, here I am. I'm at the start. Okay, wait.
When it comes to unusual trading places, though, Vito steals the show. When you're sitting in a penthouse in Miami, even losing is bound to feel a little luxurious.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm long on NAS here. Oh, they did a blow. Come on, so close. Bang! Let's go!
Luckily for him, though, he didn't lose. But this next person,
Jared,
they
you gotta come here. You need to see this shit. Look at this. Come here. I'm on stream, by the way, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this video.
for making thousands in mere seconds.
Come on, so close. Bang! Let's go!
To turning a classroom lesson into a trading win. Abnormal. Vito.
Ready? Look at this. Here,
When
you
it
can
comes
come watch this too. I was in the thumbnail of this video, and it's when traders keep hitting huge wins. Ready? And this is my little segment right here.
to unusual trading places, though, Vito steals the show. When you're sitting in a penthouse in Miami, even losing is bound to feel a little luxurious.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm long on NAS here. You didn't even do like the fake aspect. Come on, so close. Bang! Let's go!
Same old phone? Nah. Upgrade to the new Galaxy Z Fold 7.
Yeah.
Luckily for him, though, he didn't lose. But this next person, they didn't just
Alright, let me see if I'm in it again. Oh.
patience. Most people like to close within the day. But again, when you're sitting in a penthouse, none of the above advice matters.
Order filled.
Short on US 30. I'm short on US 30. I'm short on US 30. I'm short on US 30. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Order
Yeah!
filled.
Bang! 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 Bang!
Rich people attract money like a magnet. Jokes aside, though, that was a great execution after he saw that the previous support had broken. And although this guy isn't making
Like,
8,000 on his
generated too. And this, dude, this thing pulled 6,000 views. Like 5.5.
Crazy. Bro, use that thumb. Bro, change your YouTube video right now to that thumbnail
What YouTube video?
that you just posted.
I don't know. I'll make a post about it, but that's so funny. Look at that thumbnail. I just made $1 million. It's me.
Do that.
That's
Do that.
so good. All right, sorry for that, guys, but that's just so fucking funny. Everyone spam the comments on this bitch. That is so freaking funny. Oh my god, he is glazing the pen. I love it. I need to leave a comment on this.
for making thousands.
Fake trader.
Should I say hilarious or awesome? That's funny though. I like my own comment, so it gets boosted in the algorithm. But yeah, all right. So I just had to start off with that first, boys. That is so funny. One of my mentorship students sent me that today, so that was absolutely hilarious. So yeah, the thumbnail is absolutely hilarious too. Honestly, wait, we're putting that on the PnL, bro. Hold up, we're putting on the PnL.
From making thousands in mere seconds.
Ready? Well, let me screenshot this. There we go. Can I just put this right on? No, it's not gonna let me? How lame is that? Oh no, now I gotta go find where the screenshot is. Oh, as you guys can see, there's a vlog dropping tomorrow, so these are all the clips from the vlog. Oh my gosh. No, alright, we're gonna have to do it again, boys. Hold up. I'm adding this onto the PnL though, because this is absolute hilarious. Bro, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. Alright, ready? Real quick. Boom. I'll put that here. Okay. And now we go like this. Or we have to import? Wait. Insert. Image. Oversound. There. Alright. Where's it gonna show up though? Is it gonna show up? At all? Hello? Oh, there it is. I don't know how to keep dragging it down. This is so funny though. I just made $1 million. That's in the thumbnail Hall of Fame, bruh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Boom. Alright, so now let's get into the actual trading and stuff, all that good stuff. Alright, so this week was a great week. Let me move the mic closer to me actually. Alright, so this week was a phenomenal week. We did very, very good. We went 4 wins, 1 loss, technically 5 wins actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically we had like 4 winning days, 5 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss. Yeah, I mean, very, very good week. But honestly, when we're going to backtest this, you're going to see how easy it was to really have a winning week. So, I mean, like, I don't know. It's good that we had a really good week, but I feel like if you just use a strategy at all, you would have had a good week. But better than that, we had a 82% of my one-on-one mentorship students had a winning week. So I'm very, very happy about that as well. But yes, let's get started here. That's so funny, dude. I can't believe they made a video. And then I was the freaking thumbnail. That's amazing. I love it, dude. I love it. And TJR was on those thumbnails, so I'm on TJR's level now, clearly. All right, cool. Do we have any questions before we start here? What do you think about Solana and ETH? I think Solana and ETH are basically the same as Bitcoin. You're just going to make more percentage-wise. So if you're confident in Bitcoin, I would just go in on Solana and ETH because you're going to make more percent-wise. But, yeah. So it's basically, it's going to follow Bitcoin, basically. So that's like if you want to trade Bitcoin, but just a little bit higher risk, in my opinion. Advice for those who only trade NQ? I would still look at US30, in my opinion, because a lot of times NQ is going to follow US30. But yeah. Superman. Bro, you had to get a video of you to find a good picture, crop it, edit. Yeah, I know. It was hilarious. I don't know why I didn't use my YouTube for it. It was so dumb, but it's hilarious. How long have you been on this PnL? I started it October 2024. So what? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So I've been doing it for 10 months now. So, yeah. This win rate is over 10 months span. And yeah. I don't even think this is accurate anymore. I don't even really care about that. But it is what it is, right? So yeah, I've been doing it for over 10 months. What would be your answer? What would your answer be? Holy shit, I'm retarded. What would your answer be to why most traders stay unprofitable? I would say it's just it's just an information difference. That's really it, right? Because if you don't have the right strategy, you're not going to do well. If you don't have the right psychology, you're not going to do well. And if you don't have the discipline, you're just not going to do well, right? So it's really just you got to have like the whole package, and that's the hardest part. A lot of people will either struggle with the strategy, struggle with their discipline, or struggle with their psychology, right? So it's going to be one of those three things. And if you don't have one of them, it messes everything up. So it's just really the fact that you have to be very, 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 very good at all three of those things. And if you aren't good at one of them, you're cooked, right? So that's the problem. But yeah, I've been trading strat for around 2 weeks. 90% win rate. Wow. Should I buy a funded now or at the end of the month? What's your opinion? Fucking pin that bit. That's perfect. But yeah, I think you just go now, to be honest. I mean, I really am against waiting a long time. I had a mentorship student of mine who wants to get everything down, and literally the first week that he started a funded account, I literally like said, bro, just get into it, hurry up, like you're just wasting time. He had great results. So I mean, if you're already doing good, then you can just go straight into a funded. But yeah, an open supposition NAS and the price moves up, I only make 50% profit, but you make 100% profit. Why? It's risk to reward and leverage. So it's going to be different depending on how much money you're putting in and like what broker you're on and your RR and stuff. So yeah, that's the difference. You see the massive breakout on ETH? Yes, I did. Believe me, I've been monitoring it. It's been good. Are you going to do Friday's price action? Yeah, I'll go over everything. You made me profitable. You're welcome. What strategy do I use? I do velocity trading. I'll tell you, hey, well, remember a really hard week. If so, when was it? So, I mean, this is a good thing about the PnL. I kind of just, I think this was the last, or no, this was a hard month, and this is a month I really, really struggled in, to be honest, right? So I really, really struggled within this month, and this is because of the tariff stuff. So these were this was like the last of it. And then ever since, like, I would say this is probably the hardest week that we've had. I was able to navigate it relatively well. I didn't make a lot of money, but I did make money, so I'm pretty happy with it. And then, dude, ever since what? What's 5? Ever since like May, price action has just been phenomenal. Like once the tariff BS was done, like it's just been moving great for us, for our strat. So it's been amazing. And as you guys can see, and not only am I winning, a lot of my students are also seeing the same success. So price action has been very good for the past 2 months for our strategy. But yeah. Do I trade ICT? No, but I'll use some of his concepts. What win rate should I target before I try for a funded? At least a 50, gang. His real name is Vago. Okay. Ben doesn't look at YM though? Yeah. No, he does. He still uses it sometimes, but yeah.
What else does Discord mod do? Like,
Favorite backtesting software? Just TradingView. That's what I use, but yeah.
set up the bots for moderation.
What would you risk on a 50K funded account? 500.
Do like manual moderation.
500.
Just handle like disputes.
If you want to spend more, what is that word? Experience. For sure.
Discord mods.
Risk 1%.
Groom children. That's another.
Okay. Why the markets often move slowly? They haven't been recently. But yeah. I know the markets, but is there any specific strategies you can say to use to not get faked out on market open? Bro, if I knew how to not get faked out off market open, I'd have a 100% win rate, gang. There is no way, but yeah. Okay. Could you call my friends? No, I can shout them out though, but yeah. How do I calculate percent? I mean, if you do 50,000 times 1%, that's how you calculate percent. That's really it. And then you can just use a lot size calculator like this to like actually get that. But yeah, let's get into this. Here, let me log out of this. So this is I'm down 5 billion right now in Bitcoin, but this is obviously not real, guys. I was doing it for a video. But yeah, I don't want people, dude, I get so many people, oh, you're paper trading. And I don't even trade on TradingView, you dumbasses. But yeah, let's get into NASDAQ on Monday fun day. Why am I on the 1 minute? But yeah, I was gonna do that for my Drake's an Insider video. If you guys saw that on my Instagram. All right, Monday fun day. Holy crap. Oh yeah, Monday was a mess. And I actually remember this. I took a mid trade. So my trade is not really going to make sense. And I'm not going to really go over my trade because I don't want to mess you guys up, right? So I don't really want to get rid of these because these were actually used often. Yeah. So these are my 2 levels coming into Monday. And as you can see, we worked both of them out, right? And, I'm going to have to go on the 1 minute to find out what happened here. I don't remember off the top of my head. Let's see, though. Okay. What happened on Monday fun day? Oh, yeah. So immediately we kind of just went up here. And I do know a lot of people who did take this long, so we unfortunately did have to scroll down to the 1 minute to kind of see what was going on here. But as we can see, boom, come up, break the level, you get a second push. You could have easily just long this into this other fair value gap. It would have looked something like this, right? I guess not that good of a fill, but let's say you get a bad fill and then you take it up to this fair value gap here, right? Boom. That's a nice little win there. So if you took the NAS long, you won. And then there was like low-key rejection you could have played here as well. But overall, if you're trading my strategy, there's not really any chances that you lose on this day. Because if you miss this move, then you just miss it. You don't lose off of it. And if you do catch this move, you're going to win. And then if you do play the reversal at all off this, you also won. So, I mean, not the cleanest day by any means. But if you were to take a trade, you would have won this day. So this is either like a no trade day or a winning day, in my opinion. So I'm actually gonna write. I'll just write it as that, right? So it's either gonna be a win if you got that nice entry, or it's gonna be a no trade day if you just missed it. I took a crazy reversal back up based off of this wick. That's my reversal strategy. That's only for my Discord students that I talk about. But yeah, I actually took a couple of those this week. So yeah. Sorry. But yeah, so I took a completely different strategy because I missed this initial move and I didn't want to go too crazy and just take a reversal for no reason. So yeah, overall you would have won on Monday if you used the strategy, or you just would have had no trade and you would have just missed it. And guys, missing it is always okay. You guys gotta remember that. Missing a trade is always better than just losing a trade. So yeah. Oh, this is a nicer day. Look at this. Top level, bottom level. We do break, you enter off a second push or whatever, boom, you short, and then you go right to take profit. My take profit was based off the end of this fair value gap right here. Boom. We had a 15-minute fair value gap. You scroll down to the 15. This was the 15-minute fair value gap here. Take profit based off the end of that 15-minute fair value gap. Very easy stuff. Tuesday. Wow, I got scammed on that fill though. But yeah, it was a pretty easy day. Literally just boom, come down, take that short, take profit here, right? Very, very easy stuff, very simple stuff. Should have been no problems on Tuesday. Go don't send me. Send me. All right, so on Wednesday, dude, I love this song. So yeah, on Wednesday, I took a reversal. And I'm going to go over my reversal strategy just a tiny bit here. Should I? I'll go over it very briefly. So the reason why I didn't take this long, you're going to be looking at me saying, Vito, why did you not take this long here, right? The reason was because we actually closed above our level pre-market. When we close above our level pre-market, we want to see some type of retrace first before we go. If you just don't even care about anything I say and you just took this long, congratulations, you won. Are you really winning the right way, right? So, yeah, that's why I didn't take that long on that day, right? So, boom. I didn't take the long. I missed it because it closed above the level preemptively, right? And if we're seeing massive moves like this is when the reversal strategy comes into play. I'm not going to go over the reversal strategy because I low-key gatekeep that for my Discord members and everything. So, I can't go over that. But, I mean, if you did take this, you won. But realistically, this should have been a no-trade day. So I've been stacked. But yeah, I ended up taking this reversal. I actually took this live on stream in front of all my Discord members. So that was a little bit of a fun live trade. And then I just came down, targeted halfway this for value gap. So very, very simple stuff reversal strategy-wise. But honestly, it should have been a no-trade day on NASDAQ because we did break above and we did not see any type of retrace at all. But yeah. Felt like just the other day I was underpaid, yeah. Let's go to Thursday now. VVS, wrist on froze like a fucking slave, yeah. Ooh, keep that. I didn't ask for the feedback. All right. Thursday. These were the levels I had on Thursday. Or were they? I don't really remember the levels. Oh, they were. These are the levels. And my level is actually differentiated from a lot of other people's levels. So this is my top level. This is my bottom level. And I don't even think I took a trade. Thursday actually lost. So overall, these are my two levels. The reason why my level wasn't here was because one little thing wasn't enough for me. And I really thought this wick out right here was a little bit suspicious. And it kind of lined up for me. We had a suspicious wick out here. We had a high here. We had another wick out. So that was good enough for me. And again, look at this. We closed above pre-market, right? So we closed above, and then we got a push up. Again, I'm not taking that. Yes, you could have been like, oh, Vito, yesterday, on Wednesday, if you just didn't listen to your rules, you would have won. But listening to my rules on this day made me so I didn't lose, right? So we did close above, and we didn't see a retrace before this push, so I did not take this long here, and I was able to avoid it. And then we did eventually come down, boom. And then I guess if you took the short, you won this trade. As long as your stop loss isn't looking close. So yeah, if you took the short at all on this day, and that definitely would have been the play, you won this trade. In my opinion, I don't know. I had a lot of people actually take this though. So I'm gonna say this is either a win. This is tough. I didn't end up taking this trade because I took NASDAQ or US 30, but I really do think if you played out all the rules, you would have shorted this and you would have won. So I'm gonna write it down as a win. It's definitely a harder day to win, and yeah, dude, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why. So yeah, I will write it down as a win, but it's not the easiest win by any means at all. And this was just a crazy-ass reversal of mine. Again, though, if you took the long here, you did win. The level was here. And we did not open above it. And we did see a little bit of a push down here and then a push. So if you did take this long here, you would have won. It just went a little bit too fast for me. But, I mean, again, it's either a win or a no-trade day. So it went a little bit too fast for me. I didn't get a really, really nice second retrace. I do remember this. But if you did take this, which a lot of people did, you would have won. Take profit would have been based off of this level right here. I ended up taking a reversal play based off what I saw in US 30 and this nice little wick out. And I did end up sniping that one. So I'm very, very happy with that trade. But yeah, those are my trades on NASDAQ for the week. Overall, like I said, I knew it would be like an overall pretty good price action week. literally not even like a straight up losing day at all on NASDAQ. So, yeah. That was how NASDAQ went. Overall, like, if you only trade NASDAQ, I really would find it hard to have a losing week with my strategy, right? So overall, NASDAQ was pretty good. That's obviously what we want to see. And yes, what questions do we got on that one? We think it's a nice weekly routine for an average trader. I don't really believe in the weekly routines, if I'm being honest. Just wake up, make sure you trade well, hit the gym, eat healthy, and enjoy your life. That's really it. How many lots do I trade with? It's different every time. It's like around 2.5 to 3 though, most times. But yeah. What should the risk to reward ratio be per trade for funding account? It should be different depending on the trade. Why would you have the same risk to reward ratio for a market that's different every day, right? But yeah. How does this week compare to your other weeks? This week was a very, very good week compared to the other weeks. Money-wise, it was definitely better because we had a pretty big day on this day because of the CME gap trade. And win rate, holy shit, I sound like a retard. Win rate wise, it was pretty good as well. So this is a pretty good week for me. Like, no bullshit. Like, this is not normal. I definitely outperformed this week. So yeah. I decided which fair value got to target. I mean, it's like market experience on that most times, but it's just like which one's bigger and which one just looks like it would get hit more. I don't know, but yeah. Bring back the go-to thumbnails, bro. Is trading your only business? Yeah, I don't really do anything else. You think money can buy happiness? Yes, absolutely. Money does buy me happiness because it can buy other people happiness, and that makes me happy as well. Like, I'm able to be very generous, and I'm able to not work a 9 to 5, and that makes me happy. 9 to 5s made me extremely, extremely depressed. So money definitely buys me happiness. And it most likely will buy you happiness, but if it doesn't buy you happiness, it'll buy someone else happiness. So at least give it a charity. Give it to the people who are struggling. Textbook bear flag? I don't know what the fuck that means. Yeah, sure, I won. Yes. Did you start backtesting? Yes. You only take NAS when your series going the same way? Most times, yeah. When do I go break even? I go break even when we're pretty close to my take profit, and there's no doubt in my mind that we're gonna go back to break even. And if it does go back to break even, then the trade's cooked anyway. But yeah. What are the rules exactly? Which ones do you follow always? I don't have any set rules, because the market's different every day and there's always different opportunities and there's different ways to play it. If you're beginning out, I would definitely say risk 1% and trade 1 time per day. Once you start trading multiple times per day, that's when you get really in trouble. So those would be my 2 non-negotiable rules if you are a beginner. I'm not a beginner, so I can kind of mess around with that stuff. But if you are a beginner, that's what I would say for you. I would get out of the break-even stage. Make sure you're journaling and just figure out what you're doing wrong. Because when you're in the break-even stage, you're just like one little switch away from being profitable. So you just got to find that one thing you need to switch, and then you'll be chilling. So yeah. Average stop loss in points. So again, my stop loss is different every day. I would say it's like 20 to 30 though, around. So yeah. How do you plan on your stop loss so you can get a correct lot size? So for me, I really don't. I just kind of memorized around what it should be. So I technically risk $5,000, but some days I'll risk 4,000, some days I'll risk 6,000, right? Just so I can focus on my entry more than actually calculating my lot size. But for you, I would just really set up your trade beforehand and then do it that way. And I would even suggest maybe memorizing a couple lot sizes just in case it goes too quick. But yeah. If you risk 5K in open sell position, how much profit do you make if it drops 30 pips? Again, it depends how much the stop loss is. I don't know, bro. I have no idea. But like in my videos, you can just do the math, right? Just do the open price subtracted by the close price, times it by 100, and then times it by the lots. If you're like really struggling on that, here, I can just show you real quick. Ready? Just so you guys know. Come to me like a radio.
If you want to take your communication to the next level, whether you're running a business or just starting out, Grammarly has you covered. Grammarly
is so I should do all my work for him. So that was amazing. All right, ready? So, oh, you guys can't really see it, but if you go on this video, my sell price is 44,360.99, and you would just subtract that from the close price, which is 44,327.71, right? Oh no, I didn't press the subtract button. Shoot, wait. But yeah, I think that's, oh, that's 2-1. Hold up. So yeah, you would subtract this price by this price, right? And then you would get this. And then you see how many lots I did? I did 3 lots, so you times it by 3. Boom, and you get 101.34. And then I'm on 100x leverage, so you times it by 100, and then you get $10,134. So that's how. So yeah, if you're really like confused on that, you can just look at my broker statements and then add it up that way, and you'll see that it adds up. So yeah, and then you can kind of do it from there.
Yo, Vito.
What?
Where's your back shot section gonna be then?
Probably like 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Maybe like 30. I don't know. Why?
I was gonna say, like, right now is like the perfect time to go play tennis because it's cloudy.
I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. So yeah, there you go, roast. You think it would be good to start recording my trades so I can backtest in depth? That definitely would not be a bad thing. What's up, Santan? What's up, Vigor? Crazy nickname. Also, you announced all the winners for the giveaway. No, so I'm going to be announcing another one tomorrow. So I'm picking another winner tomorrow. And I would say FTP if you want less rules, Top Step if you don't care about the rules. Is trading boring? Not the way I trade. So yeah. Are you going to be going to... Are you going back to risking 10K after I buy my Lamborghini? How long is your candle? It's like 7.9, but I just rounded up to 8. Why don't you trade futures broker, but you analyze the futures pair? Because the futures is like the official price action. So I just want to know what it's actually doing, right? Because when you're on Forex, all the charts are different, but there's only one futures chart. So I want the official price action. But yeah. Give me tips to passive fund account. Risk 1% and just stay consistent. What was the one switch that made you profitable? My strategy. So I already had the mental down, but once I actually started velocity trading, my strategy, that's when it really, really went up. Yeah. Been on dumb account for about a month. I've only lost once. Literally just guessing, no strategy or nothing. That's crazy. I don't know. I mean, maybe that's luck, or maybe it's just crazy market experience, but I have no idea. I don't know, man. I've done question in your chart when you're trading on the top right. There's preferred risk. How do you get it? This is a custom made lot size calculator for me, so I can like change what I want to do and everything. But yeah, so this is a custom made one. This is only for my Discord people, and yeah, it's made for me. You still do live trading daily? So no, I don't do live trading anymore. I did it for like a year. Some days I'll do it, like I did it twice this week, just for fun. But the problem is when you live trade, your students don't actually learn, they just copy you, right? So yeah, and like I said, my students actually voted on me to stop live trading. So I did live trading for over a year, and now I'll do it like every now and then. Like I did it on this day. I live traded this, and yeah, this day I also live traded. So I live traded 2 days just for fun, but it's not a daily thing at all. I'm done doing that, but yeah, because people don't learn. Is there breakouts and breakouts that you trade? Not really. I trade a lot of stuff. I trade a lot of different stuff, so I'll kind of clump it into velocity trading. Yeah. At what point in your account do you take a withdrawal? When I was beginning, I took withdrawals immediately. I was broke. I had no money. I just took my money. How do you trade the reversals? Can you show it on the charts? Nope. That is for mentorship students only. I think when you're on fundeds, your leverage is set for you already. But yeah. Jeff has like 100K fundeds for like $20. Bro, those rules are probably cooked. Explain your strategy. I got a free course on it, so just watch that. Yeah. I'm 59 and I profit about 1 month trading demo kind of since advice bro to let me anything. So if you're 15 and you're profitable on 1 month with demo, I would say go on a funded account and just risk like $10 per trade. Don't go crazy with it. Just continue to build that experience because you're very young, so you got a lot of time. But yeah. When are you Wait, what is this? What is this word? Where are you interning for the, what is the, I don't even know what that means. I have no idea what that means. So let me know what that means and I can answer that for you. Green screen in your fret. Wait, green screen? You think this is a green screen? All right, ready? Watch this, guys. So let's see if it's a green screen or not. I'm gonna go outside. I gotta repeat the green screen allegations.
This is AI generated.
You guys, what do you think about the green screen?
AI generated plan.
I'm also AI. I'm not real. I'm fake. I'm actually, guys, if you guys want to know something, every time Vito has won, I have been near him. Just think about that.
Yeah, you guys call me. Derek's the profitable trader. I'm not real. I'm just AI, actually, guys.
I'm AI too.
Yeah. Play low beats maybe at the end. All right, bro. We're getting off track. How to join the mentorship. There's a link in the description if you want to. There's also a free Discord link in the description. At least I think it's in the link in the description. Huh. I gotta change that. But yeah, I'll change it a little bit. Yeah. Yes. Dude, if you've been trading for 2 months and you're actually seeing success, you're good to go into a funder, bro. Interning? What am I interning for? Have you hit the huzz on the balcony? I have not even... There's been no huzz in this apartment at all. Is Derek AI? Yes.
You guys go.
Boy. Derek, I hate you. How do we join your trade live streams? That's in my Discord. Or just don't let me trading. No, don't do that, please. My parents don't let me trading. What should I do? Just don't tell him about it. How's the McLaren been treating him? He loves it. How much is your trading capital? I'm at like 600K now, but I started with like a 200K funded, so yeah. Why Derek avoid my questions on DC? I don't know what he just did. I don't even know if I want to. So I watched the CME charts from NASDAQ. If you just remember running this off the CME. I would always go off the CME, but yeah. How important is music for you for trading? Not very. Am I gonna wait for the ZR1X? Probably not, dude. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna have to just buy both. Do I risk 1% per trade? I risk around 1%. So yeah. How much should I be making daily on a 100K? Don't even worry about that. Just focus on making money. Yeah. All right, let's move on to US 30 here. Every day I'm going out like Kobe. Yeah. I'm giving the work.
Do you know how to play tennis?
Before you me get murked. I need to mess and feel like a doctor. Run up on me, you get hit with a chopper. Asking I think to be Oscars here. All right, so Monday fun day. Oh, Monday was not a fun day on US 30 though. What did I take on Monday? I took a break even. I'll put a static shot. I'm about to go on to the 1 minute again, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm gonna This is so annoying. Please make it stop. Sorry. All right. Oh my gosh, this is brutal. All right, so Monday fun day was not really a fun day on US 30. If you took this long on US 30, you lost. Should you be taking this long? In my opinion, no. We have 3 big fair value gaps here, so that's like just prime time. We're gonna reverse off that. I mean, in my opinion, the ideal trade. Oh, this is a trade I took. This is my CME gap trade. In my opinion, your trade should have been something like this. So I think I'm just gonna write this down as a break-even day. Because if you took the long, you lost. But if you actually like realized there was hella fair value gaps here, and then you took the short, you won. And I actually won on a CME gap trade. So I'm gonna write this down as a break-even because I think you could have either won or lost. If you took the CME gap trade, you obviously won. That's another one of my strategies that I teach in my mentorship. This is the trade right here. Very small, very easy stuff there. Actually, I took this live, by the way, too. So that was pretty cool. So, yeah. Pretty tough day. If you took this long, you lost. Should you have taken it? Not really, because of these fair value gaps, like I said. If you did wait this out, this is prime time. Just take it on the way down. We reversed, and now we're breaking this lower level. Take the short to this next level down here. You win the trade. This is my other strategy. So, yeah, that's gate kept for the boys. Okay, Tuesday. See, I'm just gonna write that down as a break even. Wait. Oh, wait, no. Tuesday. Tuesday was nice and easy. Look at this. Top level, bottom level. Oh, you see it break the bottom level. We wait for a second push. You short. Take profit hit. Beautiful stuff there. Take profit was based off this low, I assume. Yep, there you go. Take profit there. Very, very easy stuff. Very, very easy trade. Easy win. These are the days I like. I like the easy win. I like the easy days because that's when I win and that's when all my students win. I like seeing my students win too. So yeah. So yeah. There you go. Easy, easy win on Tuesday. This day. What happened on this day? This is Thursday. I missed Wednesday. Okay, so, I mean, on Wednesday, I think you definitely could have won this. The problem is there's no good top level at all. I didn't even have a top level. That's how bad it was. Therefore, I didn't take this trade. But we did see a big retrace at 9:30, and that's what you're looking for when there's not really a good top level or you close above that top level and then a push. So if you took this, I'm not really that upset at you. But just in all honesty, like, you got to be real at yourself. There's no top level here, right? And I realize that. So although I do love trading and I'm completely addicted to it, there's nothing I can really even do to, like, I can't even force a trade if I wanted to there, right? So that's just a no trade day in my opinion. There's no top level, so you don't want to get greedy and then just take something and lose. If you did, you would have won, but it is what it is, right? Nothing really to go over there. This day I lost. This is my loss. And, yeah, this was just a crazy day, too. I had this bottom level. And then, again, there wasn't really a good top level at all, in my opinion. And what do we see? We see a big, big wick out perfectly with this level. And then we come all the way back up. So if we're going to see a push below this wick out, chances are we're going to go down. Chances were that I was just completely wrong. And then we just immediately lost. I lost, like, $6,000 in 3 minutes. Probably pull it up, bro. How much did I lose? And how little time? Yeah, I lost $6,000 in 4 minutes. So that's the other side of things. Unfortunately, I don't win all my trades. I wish I did. But, yeah, it was just a loss. It looked like a very good setup. This is a crazy, crazy wick. And then we do get a good push and another push below it. So I shorted, stop loss, immediately hit, and then we just lost. So nothing too much you can do about that. So it is what it is. You take the L and you move on, right? Friday. This was some crazy stuff here. So, I mean, what did I just do? Cancel. Okay. Friday, I can scoot on to the 1 minute because this is a crazy wick. Show you guys exactly what happened on this day. So, yeah, I mean, if you took this long, I guess you won because your take profit's here. So, if you somehow caught this long, some of my students did, you won. Maybe it's like something like this, right? maybe 20 pip stop. Maybe something like this. You win this trade. I took the short, and the reason why I took the short, and the shorts actually looked way better in my opinion, was look at how this candle closed, bro. Come up, you wick out this level, wick out the liquidity, and then you close all the way down here. You literally could have entered like anywhere within here, and then we do come all the way down, and we smash whatever take profit you would have had. So, in my opinion, I think the reversal, not really, it wasn't a reversal strategy, but like the reversal of it using the level strategy was definitely the play. So if you shorted within any of this, if you shorted off the push below here, if you shorted off the closure of this candle, if you waited for a second push here, no matter where you literally entered on this at all, you won this trade, right? So, and then even if you took the long, you probably won it too because your take profit should have been here, right? So this is easily going to be a W day. So, wow. Like I said, guys. So, it's good to have good weeks, but you need to recognize also if the week is just very, very good for you, price action wise, or if it's bad. This was a phenomenal price action week, dude. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, did I do it opposite? Yes. Whoops. 6 W's. Then 2. Even / no trade. I'll just put the no trade as break even, make it look cleaner. 1 loss. Oh no, we actually had multiple. Wait, 1, 2, 3, like 4. So yeah, let's say you took like every single trade, you would have 4 wins, 4 break evens, 1 loss, and this is good. That just shows that the strategy actually works. So that's like important. So very good stuff there as well. But yes. Okay. What's the best prop firm? I like FTP if you want to go with a higher class one with less rules. Top Step if you don't care about the rules. How'd you feel after your first payout? It was like almost a surreal feeling knowing that like it was all possible. But yeah. What should I do with the first payout? Buy a higher funded account. But yeah. We share reviews about the silver bullet strategy. Ready? This is what I'll say about the silver bullet strategy. Oh, frozen. Watch the ICT Robbins Cup video for me, okay? And that'll give you my opinion on the silver bullet strategy. Yeah. What was the fastest one of your students in your mentorship became profitable? The fastest was probably like, I don't even know. I think a month. I can check, dude. I think one of them was actually recently. So a lot of them are like within a month. Yeah, look at this. So Weber, this was on Thursday, right? Yeah. I've been here for a month and he passive funded and everything. So that was just absolutely amazing. So I would say probably like a month is probably the quickest most days. And yeah. So a month is probably one of the quicker ways to do it. Equal for value gaps above and below. Market experience based. That's what I would do for that. There's a huge woman I forgot I was targeting. I was scared. I went down. I only went low. Can't get scared. Hold to take profit or stop loss most times. I just got challenged with Think Capital. An FTP challenge. Sounds good. Show me your chart settings. Bro, I actually see a lot of people copying my shit. It's cool, but this is it right here. So this is my background, and the candles are just white and black. But yeah. What's the green line? These are like, this is an old take profit here, so don't even worry about that. And this is just liquidity right there. Or can I do? I go personal brands. Nah, I'm good off that, bro. We think of Mamba FX. He's a funny ass dude. It's awesome. Do you have a video on your strategy? Yeah, I have a whole free course. I have a free Discord, and then within that free Discord is the free course. But yeah, how much is your first payout? It was like $500. So yeah, we all know Derek is a predator. Okay. How do you choose if you take NQ or US30? Just based off like how they're looking momentum wise and volume wise, and just what setup looks better. But yeah. How much did you start your live account with? 100 bands. My parents don't let me buy a fun account, Vito. What should I do? Just stay on demo then. Not too much you can do about it. You're young, so just keep building that skill. What strat do I use? Velocity trading. Do you think it's possible to passive fund it if you were only trading on a demo before? Yes. How long would you recommend to practice? So if you want to be conservative, I would say 3 months. If you want to be a little bit aggressive, just give it like a month and you'll be fine. What is a value gap for? It's called a fair value gap. It's just like a place where you think it could reverse off of. But yeah, do I trade gold? I used to, but not anymore. I saw BP edit with you in it. That's funny. How much different is yours and MobFX's strat? I would say mine's actually significantly different because I do a lot of stuff based off liquidity for value gaps, order blocks, equal highs and lows, CME gaps, and he doesn't really include any of that. He goes based off like Fibonacci and stuff. So, and my levels are a little bit different than support and resistance. And I just trade a lot more concepts overall. Like I trade reversals, I trade for value gaps, liquidity, like I said, CME gaps, like all accumulate. Like I just have a lot more within mine, and I just kind of all mash it together. So yeah, I would say ours is actually pretty different. How did you go to your capital with 600K? I just kept trading. And that's what happens when you're a profitable trader. You make money. And I was risking a lot. Like I was risking $5,000 and I was risking like $10,000. So, and it took me a long time. Like it's been multiple months. So yeah. I saw some guy in TJ's comments saying that he should copy your strategy. That's funny. I hate on FTB. That is there, so you can't risk. Yeah, that is a tough part, but yeah. Nah, you're right. I say but yeah a lot. I gotta stop saying that. You're right, dude. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get better at it. Like I know I say that. Like in one of my videos, they had a but yeah counter, and it was like I was like, oh my gosh, why am I saying this all the time? So I gotta stop doing that. It's like my way of transitioning into the next sentence, and it's just bad. You're so right there. How'd you scale up to 100K? I made money on funded accounts. NQ or US30 is better for win rate. I would say US30 is probably better for win rate because if you're going to win on US30, it's normally pretty immediate and it's easier to avoid losses on US30 overall, in my opinion. It's very, very close though, so I wouldn't do that. What's up, homie? I love your videos. Thank you, Jips. How do you know to put your TP at another level of liquidity, etc.? Yep, it's either off another level, liquidity for value gaps, order blocks, BPRs, one of those. If one needs a hard stop, your strategy should place it further away. I would just say just place it normally, and you'll still win more times than not. Are you on any crypto? Yeah, I'm big on crypto, actually. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I caught some crazy moves on Bitcoin. I'll show you some of them. These are the 2 trades I have on Bitcoin. So yeah. I caught it at 60K up to 100, and then I caught it at 78K up to 106. Those are my 2 big trades. And then I dabble in some other stuff as well. So yeah, I'm a very much a long-term investor too. Like a lot of these traders are one-trick ponies, but like, hey, I'm also a crazy ass long-term investor, as you can see here. Look at this. Look at this trade. Insane. How many levels should I target every day? Just do like 2 or 3. What's your biggest RR? I probably like a 6. Or I guess it's technically this one. Or maybe it's the Bitcoin one. This was an 8 RR trade. So I'll probably say this one was my biggest RR trade. Oh no, this one. 10 RR trade. Yeah. So this is my biggest trade. A 10.7 RR trade on Bitcoin. Mama use Fib only for TP. Oh, I don't know. I don't really know Mamba FX's strategy more than just like its breakout like mine. What's good, Jips? Why'd you switch from 10K risk to 5K risk? Because I was just I'm spending a lot more money now. So, and I have a lot of money in long-term investments as well. So, kind of just diversifying more. Because yeah. I used to be in private playing low beans. Made 3K this week. Awesome, bro. I'd love to hear it. Vito, but yeah, mercy. That's funny. You lucky buns at Smash Bros. Yeah. I started playing Smash Bros like a couple weeks ago. I've never played it in my life. How long did it take you to become profitable since you started trading more seriously? Took me like 2 years, bro. But I was misled like crazy, so it won't take you that long. Did I take TR's course? I've watched his boot camp. I don't use it though, at all. Theoretically, if you spend 10K on fundeds, couldn't you print way more than on a live? Yes, but once you start making a lot of money, they're gonna just deny your shit. And you're not gonna get as good fills, and they're gonna do whatever they can to fuck you over. And fills are extremely important in my strategy. So it's just easier for me to just do it and get 100% of my payouts, because then I wouldn't even get 100% of my payout as well. So yeah, it's kind of tough. Does FTP allow trades under a minute? I mean, I would assume so. I don't know. I don't know if I've ever had a trade under a minute on FTP though. Ever heard of volume trading? Nope. Probably a dumb question, but why trade you skip holidays and never trade on crypto never trade crypto if it's market's open? Because holidays are just very unpredictable price action. Yeah. Do I do Forex? Not anymore. Trading if I have a strategy that's been trading for a couple of months. I mean, this is depending on the strategy, so it is what it is. 550Ks or 500Ks? 500, it's more money. What do you think about low leverage on long-term trades? No, that's good. I like that. What do I backtest on? Just trading view. No. I only started velocity trading when I started this. Or not even. I started velocity trading this week. Right here. And yeah. I was taking hella trades, bro. I was tweaking out. But yeah. If you know how to join the free Discord, the link in the description. I should probably actually update that link. Let me do that right now for you guys. It's the same link, but people get confused. So I'm just gonna do that for you. I'm just gonna copy this and put it in. All right, so I just updated it. So there you go. You can just use the link in the description of this live stream. How do you get a funded account? You can just literally look up funded account and then you can buy one. Very easy. Do I use velocity trading for crypto? No, I have a completely different crypto strategy that I do go over in my mentorship. But yeah. Oh, I said but yeah again. Damn. How much capital do you think I should rack up before funded is swap into a live? I would say at least like maybe 25K. All right. So that would be good. How trusted FTP and how much did you make out of it before switching to lives? I think FTP is very trusted. I would say it has a phenomenal reputation. I've never had any problems with them at all. And I made out of them 6 figures. Velocity trading means exiting fast. Yep. I did a 21-second trade. Oh, there you go. There's the answer to your question. What's the optimal time to stay in a trade? There is no optimal time. How long have I been trading? 3 years now. Wait. 4? Wait a second. I started the summer of my junior year. So, what is that? Summer, senior, wait. So, like, senior? Dude, I think it's been 3 years. So, yeah, 3 years. Is doing multiple strategies at once wrong? Nah. I would say just get really good at one strategy and then you can go and diversify. Hop on Fall Guys. I will, don't worry. Do prop firms lose money? Yes, they do, but 95% of people who take the challenges lose them. So, yeah. You have to make a but yeah counter on your videos now. Somebody, all right, whoever's like actually an active watcher of all my stuff, under every video make a but yeah counter so that I stop doing it. Thank you. I'm in the mentorship. I feel like I'm about to pass the funding next week. I know who you are. You're Ishi. Yeah. I said but yeah again. Yes. You're very close. You're on a great way. You think taking a trip to Miami would be beneficial? Not really, to be honest. if you don't use your bootcamp in your training strategy, we still recommend a certain for beginners for something else. I would say no. I think TJ's bootcamp, he doesn't even use the strategy that he teaches anymore in that. And I think it's a lot to digest for a beginner. Yes, that's true. I'm trying to get good. But yeah, I've had enough of that. Love from India. I appreciate y'all. All right. So let me just first go here. Show you guys I'm not cap wrapping. Oh, there you go. All right. So before we start playing some low beans, I just want to let you guys know there's a free Discord. Go obviously join that because it's free. If you guys do want one-on-one, you guys can see the results here. The mentorships are doing phenomenal. 82% of my one-on-one mentorship students had a winning week. And this isn't a coincidence, right? It's like you can look through. I write down what percent of students had a winning week. And it's been really, really good recently. So if you want to learn how to do this one-on-one with me, there's a link in the description for that as well. But if not, just join the free Discord. And yeah, now we are going to play some low beans for a little bit, and then we're going to end it off. I do have a vlog coming out tomorrow, so I'm very, very excited about that. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
A&H Automotive, we specialize in the Acura, Honda, and Subaru vehicles. We've been doing this for about 20 years.
This. All right, I'm going to share the link for you guys. All right, everyone join up. Everyone join up. Is taxing hard? It's pretty easy. Is taxing hard or trading? What's good, broski? What's good? When do I come to Europe? Probably not for a little bit. How do you backtest your trades? Car you look up yet all the time. Yeah. Do I gamble anytime? Not really. I will never gamble off camera. That's just lame. Are your students mostly experienced or sometimes shoot from zero? No, most of them are not experienced. You can literally look. Whoever here started trading a month ago, and he's already past his funded, and he never traded before this. So I'm very. Oh no! All right, wait. I'm joining back into the lobby. That's my bad. Okay, we're good. All right, so everyone join up. We go and play like 1 or 2 games, and then we're good. So yeah, what's this game? We're about to find out. It's fun. It's like it's good. I promise. So yeah, everyone join up. What made you move to Miami? Connections and networking. WAP is not available in your region? Oh boy. I don't know if I can do anything about that because that might be against the terms of service. So everyone join up using the link here. And then we'll play some rounds here. And yeah. I said and yeah, that doesn't count. Dude, I gotta stop saying that. What is wrong with me, bro? I might just be stupid. All right, everyone join up, join up. Let's see if we can get 30 people. Come on. Let's fill it. Fill this bit. Come to Poland, Viga. I've heard good things about Poland, actually. How do you get a friend with the same mindset? You can't find anyone else here? I wouldn't say try and do it, but you'll meet people. Once you start actually leveling up yourself, you're going to meet people just kind of on the same path. Like my day one friends, none of them are with me anymore, which really sucks. I tried to bring them with me, but they just didn't. But yeah. So I wouldn't trip about it. All right, last call. I'm starting this in like 10 seconds. Okay. All right, let's go. So yeah, this is the game. Dude, it's so fun, trust me. I think the lobby is still open, so you guys still have a chance to join, I believe. I don't know. All right. Stop pushing me. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, there's a trampoline in the middle of that stuff. All right, we start in 10 seconds. Let's go. I'm going to touch you, Vito, from Fartface12. It's so laggy. You just got buns internet. Well, I got 60 FPS right now. I got 40 ping. I'm chilling. All right, let's go. Watch out. Woo! Oh, yeah, let's go. No! Nice. Bro, get up. Get up. Sorry. Oh! Woo! Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. Nice. Yep. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Go this way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait. Yes, sir. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I saw you try to push. Oh, how does that feel? Wait. Oh, you ready? Let's push people off. Push them off. Push them off. When they jump. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right, everyone get this guy. All right, wait. Player one, get him. No, I missed again, bro. Stop pushing me. We can move him. Build a wall. Build a wall. Build a wall. Build a wall. Everyone build a wall. Build a wall. Get this one. Get this one. Get these boxes over here. Start building a wall. All right, wait, I gotta get in. Peter, you're lucky I didn't find you. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, land. Doesn't matter. This is only round one. You got a couple left to go. All right, please be good, Matt. Oh, I like this map. I'm good at this, man. Yeah. If you guys are wondering, we also play this in the mentorship after we win. So it's fun. It's good. I'm coming in first. Mark my words. No! How did I miss? No way, bro. Okay, let's go. We good. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Am I going to be first? Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is why I'm so good at this. This is why I'm so good. Oh, I wasn't first. Never mind. I thought I was first. All right, let's see. Let's see who's in the final round here. All right, here we go. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about, Lando. Doesn't matter which one you win. You got to continue it. Oh, his fart face right here. No, I hate this map. Oh, my gosh. I'm cooked. All right, let's see if I can pull it off. All right, winner takes all on this one. Do not push me off. I pushed myself off. Are we serious? Oh, my gosh, bro. It's all right. I'm not that far behind. Yep. 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 Oh my gosh. It's me and you're. Oh, I missed the jump. I'm stupid. Oh my gosh. Wait. Yep. Oh. Okay. I just gotta not mess up here. Come on. No! No! Oh my gosh, I just sold so bad. No way! Oh my. I literally had the game in my. Bro, no way. I literally had that game in my hands. I had it in my hands. didn't fucking do shit about it, bro. That's so my fault. All right, your wins. All right, last one. This is the last game we're gonna play. Last one. All the marbles in this one.
A&H Automotive, we specialize in Acura, Honda, and Subaru vehicles. We've been doing this for about 20.
All right. All right, here we go. Last one, boys. Get in this. Everyone join up. I prefer DX trade, but yeah. Please give me a link to the Discord because I want to take one on mentorship. You can just DM me on Instagram, and then you should be good there. But yeah. All right, everyone join up here. This is the last one. After this, is we're done. We're done streaming. All the marbles in this game. Let's go. My new router. Type 1 if you hate Derek. I know. Look, you can come look. All right, everybody type 1 if you hate Derek. Let's see. Why you ignore? I literally just said DM me on Instagram, bro. All right. 10 seconds. I'm starting this. Fart face will find you, Vito. Oh my gosh. All right, we're starting it. Let's go. No way. All right, we got 40 seconds till it starts. Everyone join up. Let's go. Let's go. It's in the mentorship. I leaked it. Oh. Which one is it? This one. This one. You think I can get on the edge of this? No way. Oh my gosh. No way, bro. Move, bro. Move. Okay, we're good. All right, here we go. Let's lock in here. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Oh, I don't. Is this a new map? I think it's a new map. I don't remember this one. Water slides. Okay. Why am I in last right now? Okay. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Dude, everyone's cooking. What the heck? Watch out for the reds. Please don't be blue. Oh, dude, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Yo. Bruh, move. Okay, we're good. Nice, dude. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Let's go, bruh. Let's go. Dude, fart face, get out of here. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop. I'm gonna hide. I'm hiding from fart face. All right, I gotta get in, bro. I gotta make sure I qualify. Is MG sure he's gonna make it? Oh, he's lagging? Run, but you can't hide. You're not even gonna make it to the last round, buddy. All right. Final 19. Final 19, let's see. I know this one. I know this map. This map's calm. Are we? What? What was that? How did I not just get shot up right there? Let's go. What's up, Armani? Armani will be featured in the vlog. Fun fact. Yeah, a lot of people don't know this. Like, guys, the mentorship students, they're not just like students. Like, I'm actually boys with a lot of them. Like, even IRL. All right, if you guys push me, you're all banned. Oh my, dude, guys, come on. Can we fucking not? All of them just got murked. Come on, boys. Let's make it. Why didn't I didn't even jump? Oh my gosh. Get me on. Are we good? Yep. Yes. Finally, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, now I'm gonna have to deal with this kid in the final round too. Oh my gosh, this is competitive. Oh, everyone just lost. No way. No one can get on. Oh my gosh, Gustav is the one to make it. That's so good. All right, last round. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, guys, is free. This is funnier. This is funny because it's a 2-move version. Oh my gosh. All right. What is that? I don't even know what just happened, bro. What was that? Whoa! I don't know this map. I actually don't know this map. What the heck? Oh, I am way in last now, dude. Oh, great. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, I just got tabletopped. Oh, I'm so making it though. Wait. There's no way Fart Face fucking wins. Oh my god, bro. Out of everybody. Dude. That just ruined my day. Alright, that's going to be it for the stream. Alright, so I will see you guys later. If you haven't already, like the stream. I appreciate the likes. Vlog coming out tomorrow. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, join the free Discord. It's linked in the description of this live stream. And if you guys want one-on-one, the link is also in the description of this live stream. But yeah, I appreciate you all. And thank you for watching the mentorship. What do I get exactly? I'll tell you more in detail. I'm not going to go over everything right now. You can DM me on Instagram, and then I'll tell you like personally. But yeah, I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. This live is recorded, so you can go back and watch everything. But I'll see you guys in the vlog tomorrow. Have a good one.